What's poppin', everyone? It's your girl, Queen Aja Monroe, and I'm just here to remind you to subscribe to the Red Carpet Girls website so that you don't miss any future content like this. Today, we're going to be going through my Miche Beauty curly hair tutorial. As you can see from my before video, I have a very itchy, dry scalp, which is causing awful definition. But after I use the Miche Beauty products, look at that beautiful, moisturized, oh my god, gorgeous curl definition, volume. Let's show you how I got here, shall we? Step 1, which is clarifying. That is the first step to any healthy, balanced hair routine. Clarifying should be done at least once a month, not too often because it can be overly drying, and you don't want that. My scalp is very itchy, look at that. So let's go ahead and clean it, shall we? This detox clarifying shampoo removes product buildup, residue, pollutants, and excess oil. It cleanses the pores of toxins and odors that build up, and it's infused with apple cider vinegar, ginger, lemongrass, and peppermint oil, which provides antimicrobial, antioxidant, antiseptic, and inflammatory properties. And this helps balance and soothe the scalp. It has a rich and luxurious foam, which is not too drying actually, like most clarifying shampoos. Paired with a scalp brush, I get a really deep clean without sacrificing all that moisture. And plus, the fragrance is my fave. Now let's move on to step 2, shall we? If clarifying is heavy cleaning, then deep conditioning is going to be considered heavy moisture. And the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner is amazing. It's one of the best moisturizing protein-free products that I've ever used. It's going to leave your hair dry. It's going to leave your dry, damaged, and frizzy hair soft and manageable. It's a very creamy conditioner. It contains a lot of slip, so it glides right through tangles. The Intense Moisturizing Deep Conditioner is for all hair types, especially dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. It's going to leave the hair more manageable, softer, and healthy, which is going to enable length retention and help your hair to grow. It's also enriched with raw honey, which is a humectant, which helps attract moisture to the hair. And olive oil and babusu oil help to nourish and heal the hair. Now, step 3, which is leave-in conditioner. So the first step is leave-in conditioner, but before that, I like to spray my hair with more water so that I can apply my products on soaking wet hair so that I can get maximum definition. Okay, and then I like to go in with my sectioning routine, which is called the BMC sectioning technique. I will link my tutorial on that below so that you can understand why I do this process when I apply my products. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and start. I'm going to add more water, and we are going to go in with this leave-in, which is the Lavish 3-in-1 Conditioning Styler. That will moisturize, detangle, and soften all in one. The Lavish will infuse hair with moisture-rich ingredients, leaving hair feeling soft and replenished. It's an excellent detangler. It aids in melting stubborn knots and tangles to make the hair more manageable. And of course, we cannot leave out our gel. We need hold for our style, and we're going to be using the Sculpt Curl Defining Gel, which is an alcohol-free curl defining and curl sculpting gel that provides curls and coils with hold, definition, and amazing shine. It provides a medium hold for long-lasting curl definition and shine, and it's a thick yet lightweight consistency, perfect for all curl types. It's made with organic aloe vera and bamboo extract, which strengthens and adds shine to the hair. It's pH balanced for optimum hair health. And if you notice that you lose a little slip when you are applying the gel, that's no worries. You just need to add more moisture. That's it. So if I'm losing slip and it's probably from the aloe vera, it's easy to remedy. You just add more water or more leave-in and you get all that slip back so that you can continue to style. I personally am a huge fan of finger coils. I like uniform curls when I style my hair, so that's why I like to finger coil. If you need a tutorial of finger coiling, I will link that below for you as well. But those are the 2 products that I'm using. I'm also using the only brush I use, the Scrunch It brush. It's my exclusive brush. It's the only brush that I trust not to give me any split ends and breakage and help me properly distribute the product throughout my hair strands so that all the hair strands are properly coated and I will get that frizz-free definition that I'm looking for. Since I have a looser texture, I like to scrunch my hair to encourage more curl definition. If you have coils or a tighter texture, please do not please do not scrunch, as that will just increase your shrinkage. But if you have waves or looser curls like mine, go ahead and scrunch that bad boy. As you can see, I'm focusing on the back because that's where I lose definition the quickest. So I'm making sure to add more product and really focus on finger coiling and scrunching that section, because I want to make sure that you guys see the shine that comes through when your hair is properly moisturized and sealed, the way Miche Beauty products do each and every time. So I'm just going to finish up finger coiling. I'm one of those people that likes to finger coil their whole head, so sorry about that. But boom, look at these gorgeous results. Beautiful, moisturized, shiny hair. I did not lie to you about that shine. Look at that shine. It's crazy. For fine density hair, I have so much volume on day one, which is normally impossible. Seriously, these products are absolutely amazing. Your hair will thank you if you try them. And plus, this is my favorite product line because it's the amazing scent. You really can't beat it. I get so many compliments throughout the day. But seriously, check out Miche Beauty and check out my blog review on these products. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.